Hello everyone, welcome to Burnett's Bees. Before we get started, remember to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Caught my first swarm of bees yesterday. I was as unprepared as one could be. I was at the back of the home loading lumber I had bought when the young lady said, "Oh look, a swarm of bees." My wife was with me. I asked her to grab the first thing she could find. Fortunately, she was quickly able to find a Tupperware cake container. While I was waiting for additional bees to find their way into their new temporary home, I quickly searched the basement from which I was loading the newly purchased lumber. Fortunately, I was able to find a cardboard box. After I placed the Tupperware container inside the cardboard box, I waited for an additional 30 minutes for as many of the bees as possible to return to their new temporary home. I was able to borrow some painter's tape from the young lady who was running the estate sale. With the tape, I secured the lid of the box after cutting a hole in one side, and then waited an additional 30 minutes before considering that I had cut all the bees that I could. It only took us 15 minutes to get home once we had secured the box. While I was getting everything ready for the hive, my wife quickly mixed some 1-to-1 sugar water, which you see me spraying liberally over the bees in anticipation of dumping them into their new home. I prepared 2 gallons of 1-to-1 sugar water, added the recommended amount of Honey Bee Healthy, and placed the top feeder on the bees. "24 hours later, everyone is coming and going as if they've always been home." We'll give them a full week to adjust to their new home, and then we'll check for signs that they're content. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.